Hello class! Welcome to 123 English with me. I'm Teacher Crystal and I'm super happy that you are in class today. In today's dictation, we are ready for lesson 58 and we are going to talk about the last possessive adjective that has a contraction that sounds the same. So far, we have talked about its and its, your and your, and today we are going to talk about their and their. These words sound the same, but one is a possessive adjective that shows ownership to the noun, and one is a contraction. A contraction is two words that is combined to make one with an apostrophe. In today's lesson, you get to pick which word makes the sentence correct. Should you use the possessive adjective, their, T-H-E-I-R, or should you use the contraction, their, T-H-E-Y''R-E. This there means they are. You can only use this in a sentence if you can replace it with they are. If you cannot replace it with they are, then you cannot use this contraction. Look at their cat. There is the possessive adjective because the cat belongs to them. It is their cat. You cannot replace this with they are. Look at they are cat. No, you cannot say that. There as a contraction, you can use they're mad. Many times an adjective will come after it. They are mad. Are is the verb. Mad is the adjective that describes them. They are eating. So you can also use it as a present continuous sentence, meaning something that is happening right now. They are eating. They're eating. So are you ready for dictation today? I will read the sentence 3 times. You write in your notebook what you hear. Do your best. It's okay if you don't get all the words because we will check it at the end together and you will see the sentence in the correct format. Let's begin with number 1, the date. Today is Sunday, February 28th, 2021. Today is Sunday, February 28th, 2021. Today is Sunday, February 28th, 2021. This means there are 6 words in that sentence. Write as many as you can. Number 2. I am their daughter. I am their daughter. I am their daughter. Number 3. Where is their house? Where is their house? Where is their house? Number 4. They're not very nice. They're not very nice. They're not very Nice. Number 5. I like their car. I like their car. I like their car. Number 6. They're happy today. They're happy today. They're happy today. Number 7. Their friends are at school. Their friends are at school. Their friends are at school. Number 8. Do you see their dog? Do you see their dog? Do you see their dog? Number 9. They're mad at their mom. That sentence has both theirs in it. Which one is the correct one for the correct word? Remember, if you're using there as a possessive adjective, it usually has a noun after it. They're mad at their mom. They're mad at their mom. And number 10, they're eating tacos. They're eating tacos. They're eating tacos. Did you write all 10 sentences? Good. Now let's check them and you can fix your mistakes. You can read the sentence along with me, or you can go back and read them from your notebook later. Number 1. Today is Sunday, February 28th, 2021. Today is the last day of February. You have been able to write February all month. You should remember how to spell it. Capital F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y, February. Sunday also has a capital S. Today has a capital T because every sentence begins with a capital letter. There's a comma that separates the day and the month, and a comma to separate the date and the year. And the sentence ends in a period. Remember that when we say the date out loud, we say it as an ordinal number, 28th. If you need to learn more about ordinal numbers, you can go and watch the video on ordinal numbers. Number 2, I am their daughter. You should have used the possessive adjective their because the noun follows it. It shows that the daughter belongs to them. It is their daughter. Number 3, where is their house? This is a question, so you should have a question mark at the end of your sentence. There is a possessive adjective, House is the noun. It belongs to them. It is their house. Number 4, they're not very nice. This is a negative sentence because we have not in it. Nice is our adjective. It describes them. They are not very nice. They're not very nice. Number 5, I like their car. Their is the possessive adjective. Car is the noun. The car belongs to them. It is their car. Number 6, they're happy today. This is for the contraction they are. You can read the sentence, they are happy today, or they're happy today. Happy is the adjective that describes them. Number 7, their friends are at school. There is the possessive adjective. The friends belong to them. It is their friends. Number 8, do you see their dog? There is the possessive adjective. Dog is the noun. The dog belongs to them. It is their dog. Number 9, they're mad at their mom. In that sentence, we had both theirs. They are mad at their mom. Since we can use they are, this is the contraction. They're mad at their mom. This is the possessive adjective because mom is the noun that belongs to them. Their mom. And number 10, they're eating tacos. This is they are. It's a contraction. They're eating tacos. Eating is the verb, showing that it is something they are doing right now. They are eating tacos. So how did you do? Did you check your sentences and fix them in your notebook? Now you can go back and read them and review when to use there as a contraction, they are, and when to use there as a possessive adjective, meaning that the noun belongs to them. I think you did awesome. So in the comments below, you can write me 2 sentences, one using there as a contraction and one using there as a possessive adjective. I know you can do it. So I hope you enjoyed our class today, and I will see you again tomorrow. Make sure you hit subscribe so you can receive the videos as soon as they come out. Goodbye.